Hi Una,
Yes.
you would like to share some information with our viewers?
Yes, we have some question from one customer regarding the T40. So I hope this will help you to consider for buying a T40. So the first question, what is the communication rate with the drone? So the communication rate with the drone is 1 kilometer. So for all Agars drone, not just T40, T30, T20P, or the drone. Okay. So can the communication rate be increased? Yes. And he also added the what device. Of course, we have a DJI relay so that you can fly more far, and also even behind the mountain. Maybe you cannot see the drone, you can stay flying with the DJI relay. Okay. So what software or AI solution drone system use? And this system we control from one ground station. Yes, because we use DJI MDF is a built-in software in the remote controller. So it's kind of like a ground station or whatever, you can use it. Can you provide us with an example or the demo? Yes, we can do the demonstration for you. So you need to inform us which country you're from. If we do not have our partner, yes, you can come to Dubai. We can make for you. So what is included in the drone package alone? Yes, in the drone package, of course, we have a combo on package. If you say drone package, drone box, I recommend you to check our unboxing video T40. So inside, I would say again, inside the drone, remote controller, battery cooling fan, and cases, and the profiler gasket, and the cable, and also the dongle, small in size, the black one. How many hours is a drone warranty or rated for? Yes, all our DJI drone come with a 1 year warranty. So something happen, you can reach out for our after sales. Can we change the camera to a multi-spectral sensor on DJI T40? No, you cannot, because DJI Agars T40 are for the agriculture only. So for multi-spectral, we have a M3M solution for you. It's the only one. You can do whatever you want to use. Oh yes, that's all. So I hope this question will help you. Still have more questions, you can leave the comments. We'll be here for you.
Thank you for your information, Una.
You're welcome. So anytime, we are pleasure to assist.